We are officially 3 days away from the announcement of the iPhone 14 series, and leaks just keep on coming. More secrets regarding the pill-shaped cutout are coming, and we got the very first possible video look of the iPhone 14 Pro that is coming from an unknown source, and it shows something very interesting. We also have exclusive first look at the always-on mode that is coming for the first time on an iPhone ever, plus more secrets regarding the functioning of the pill-shaped cutout, which shows that Apple is making the ugly work. First, we have this new video coming out from China showing off what looks like an iPhone 14 Pro, and basically in the control center there is a setting for the notch where user can switch the dead pixels on or off. Now this is a very sus leak. No one has been able to say it for sure if it's fake or real. This might just be an early prototype of the iPhone 14 Pro, early test unit or something like that. We really can't say anything for sure, but it's showing something very interesting, which is option. Apple, as we know, is not the company that likes to give options to their users, especially when it comes to the design of their products, so I don't think they're gonna give this freedom to the users. Very likely it's gonna be a single pill hole, but still a very interesting video look that, again, could be real. It's 2022, anything can happen in this world. Apple might shock us. Now, the same source that was the first one to say that Apple is doing the pill-shaped cutout is back again with some exclusive details. As reported on Macrumors.com, iPhone 14 Pro's always-on display will feature integration with notifications, depth effect, and will have a unique style of melding the wallpaper and the colors in the background. This honestly looks pretty good, and according to Macrumors, Apple will allow some level of customization to the always-on mode. Users can even enable notification counter at the bottom of the screen. Now, the pill-shaped cutout is ugly, there's no doubt about that, but it will have some functions to it. As we know, the dead pixels will showcase privacy indicators. Apple is trying to make the look similar to how it is on their MacBooks with the notch. If you add all this up, it makes sense for them to go for this look. Now, according to 9to5Mac, because of the more space thanks to this pill-shaped cutout, Apple could bring the classic battery indicator on the right-hand side and move the same signals towards the left-hand side. Apple is also said to be redesigning the whole camera app for the iPhone 14 Pro. Apparently, these upper controls could move further upward towards that space that is being created by the pill-shaped cutout, giving you a larger camera viewfinder area. As I said before, regardless of the design, the new 48 megapixel camera on the iPhone 14 Pro is going to be very promising, and I can't wait to see the real-life performance. So these were the latest leaks regarding the iPhone 14 Pro. Things are coming out every single day, so make sure you subscribe to the channel with notifications on so you don't miss out any video. With that being said, I'll see you later. Peace out.